everybody, we are Vanlife. Hi everybody, we are Vanlife, and today we are gonna go snowboarding. Let's go! And today we are going to Alpine Valley Resort. Alpine Valley Resort?
Yes!
And we are gonna go snowboarding. But before that, we are gonna pick up my second-hand snowboard boots. We actually compared the price if we are gonna be renting or if we're gonna buy a second-hand, and then we realized it's gonna be cheaper if we buy our own compared to renting it again and again and again.
I am going to ski, but we're not yet there.
This is gonna be our first time to camp during winter time. Look outside, it's snowing. Gonna be cold.
We're picking up my wife's boots. We're gonna park.
When you come drive down by the blue dumpster where the trucks and cars are.
Trucks. There's our trucks. Dumpsters there. All there. Bucks, brand new, worth 150 something. Yes. Oh, perfect.
Finally, we're here and we are going to gear up. I'm gonna try my new old boots. Old new boots.
There's the spot. It's not really crowded today
Because it's a weekday.
because it's a weekday compared to weekends, of course.
There's 3 hills. If you are new to skiing, you go to the baby hill right over there.
It's what we call the bunny.
You show later.
I will first go to the baby hill, and I will be showing you how to ski, even though I haven't skied for a long time. And this is gonna be my 3rd time skiing.
Wow.
Okay, so we are putting our gear on to snowboard, and I am here also having some itchy problems. It's scratching.
What's itchy problem?
It's scratching our hearts and scratching our
Okay.
fingers. I don't know.
Not yet done.
I think I don't need this.
What's one?
Adult.
Okay, I don't need this.
Para fun. It popped away.
She's not fat. She's sexy. Yo, you're like a captain.
So if you don't have your own board and your own gears, you'll have to add $35 for the rental. Since we have our own stuff, we have our own gears, we only had to pay $65 for the lift. And for Macy, since she's a kid, she's a minor, all she has to pay was $18. And for the bunny hill, so I guess it's gonna be like 36 or 35. So if you're gonna be renting the board and the shoes 3 times, you're gonna be spending like 100. but we bought this for 100. So it's equivalent to 3 sessions or 3 times coming back here. But since we're gonna do it again next year and the other year, hopefully. So I guess we were able to save money.
I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it. We didn't make it up, we just made a way. We gon' take it up, we won't fade away. I got too many dreams, gotta stay awake. Ask me if I changed, yo, it's night and day. I told the backstabbers, put the knife away.
2 more and then we're gonna go.
I'm trying to get my family to a nicer place. Room for everybody, but no room for hate. Everybody eating off the nicest plates. But we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it. Play this when it all comes together. Yeah, when it can't get any better. Yeah, play this when it all comes together. Yeah, when it can't get any better, but you better keep on grinding, keep on rising, keep on shining. They forget, then you remind them what we call a perfect timing. But you better keep on grinding, keep on rising, keep on shining. They forget, then you remind them what we call a perfect timing. I'm like, hey, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it. We made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it, but we made it through. We just had moose and mag, and we made them do it. I wouldn't say we made it. Play this when it all comes together.
So this is all the stuff that we bought. Tunas, spread with bread, and then we also bought the oil, chips for snacks. This just great value. Doesn't have to be expensive.
Donuts and
Juice.
donuts and goldfish for kids.
Yep, for
For
Macy.
snack.
And this one, all-time favorite for anything.
Noodles and
And
crackers.
of course, we bought our fish
Fish
For
for
tonight.
lunch and tonight.
for actually lunch.
Lunch
And
and dinner,
our
some
salad. Yeah.
Yuck.
Yep. Yeah.
I'll cook the salmon. I'll fry it. Nothing special, just frito. Let's go.
This is our salad for tonight. This is our vegetable. And
This
we
is our
have
dinner.
salmon and
Our dinner.
Rice!
ready to go.
And
Ready
it's
to go.
joking. It's not our dinner. It's our lunch.
Oh, it's still lunch. Sorry.
The downtown area. That's the Lake Geneva here in Wisconsin.
I'm not sure.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. Now we're cooking breakfast. We're waiting for the rice to be cooked, and we're gonna cook our spam here. And then after that, Macy's gonna have her online class. It's an hour after we have our breakfast, and then afterwards we're just gonna go walk in and then ski.
This is what I have so far.
Right. Color, okay.
I'll play on the phone.
Okay, there you go.
We are done! It's
Bye-bye!
yeah!
So guys, that's it for tonight. We're gonna end this now. It's snowing and it's time to go. It's time to play with snow.
Hi, bye-bye! Good, Dad!
Subscribe!